Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Flying Fish Crypto channel. Over here, we talk about crypto, basically crypto. I am Colin, your host, and as you could see, this is my first video ever uploaded on YouTube. This is gonna be your fresh new channel in the cryptocurrency land, and let's talk about price analysis on a weekly time frame. As you could see, Bitcoin has been traveling on an uptrend. uh, I think it's pretty obvious, and it has been ranging in these prices ever since. Created two all-time highs over here, very evidently, and mm, and the market is just pretty much wondering where it's going to be headed next. Um, let's break it down. Wait, before that, I think if we turn on the EMA ribbon, I think the only thing that's concerning is the ribbon has always been playing as some sort of a support or resistance for the price, as we could see ever since we broke out of broke above the EMA ribbon. This was about March 2020. It has found support and made its way to the all-time high at approximately 65k. It went back down below the ribbon, not really below the ribbon, as we could see we are still fighting above the ribbon, and then we made our way back up, found support, created the second all-time high. Ever since, we've dumped back down. This is where things look a little bit more scary. Uh, uh, it has acted as a resistance ever since then. Over here, if there were any signs of reversal, it could have a double bottom breakup would have been like the most ideal. It's the most potential, right? Is this still going to be playing out? Possibly, but we got rejected once at about 45,000. We got dumped back down. The weekly candle just closed yesterday. Today is Monday, and we are going to the daily charts because it's a brand new day. On the daily charts, I've came up with okay, as we could see, ever since we broke out of the rising wedge, sorry, fallen wedge over here. Pardon my lines. Oh my goodness, that's pretty bad. Okay, yeah, some sort of a wedge. Yeah, we broke out of it. We came back. We confirmed it, and ever since we are traveling sideways. Are we going up? Are we going down? No one really knows. That is why we have so many channels on YouTube discussing where is the next possible price that Bitcoin is headed to, and uh, in no way this is financial advice. This is purely entertainment purpose. Trade with your own risk. I trade with my own risk. I make my due research with due diligence, and you just gotta be smart about it. Don't take every advice online, including YouTube. Over here, as we could see, price could be traveling in some sort of symmetrical triangle. If this were to play out, of course, the higher likelihood of breaking down is higher, as symmetrical triangles usually uh, play a role as a continuation pattern. As we see, we've dumped down from a symmetrical triangle. We could go back down again, uh, but in the world of Bitcoin, it could easily just reverse to the upside. It just does things that people don't expect. And over here on the daily, things to take note of is just the symmetrical triangle that's playing out. If you take a look, there is two lines, two support lines. I'm drawing this line. I'm connecting both of this wick right here. If you could see, um, this would be the most conservative way of like drawing this symmetrical triangle. But I think based on history, this is too big of a symmetrical triangle. So what is possible is this could be possibly playing out. I don't know. It just seems that way. If you take a look at the support, uh, we got a bounce. We got a bounce at approximately 37,500. Um, for traders who like to play the support and resistance, I think they would have entered the trade over here. I would say do it with risk management, because if we take a look at this week and this week, it could just pretty much just wipe out all the longs. On the daily time frame, yes, that's what I'm seeing. And on the 4 hourly, let's get into the 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly chart, if we take a look at the MACD is, sorry, cursor, where's my cursor? Okay. It looks like the momentum is about to shift to the upside. If we take a look, it's rounded, it's waiting for a flip. It might happen very soon. I'm talking about within today or tomorrow, but it could easily just get rejected again like this, right? Or it could actually just cross this time, or it could just cross, right? Like this, and then price follows. What other thing to be taken note of? The 4 hour, not much. I'm seeing this really big symmetrical triangle, but things get a little bit more interesting in the short term. On the hourly candle, as we could see, there is a divergence being played out. Look at if we take a look at the RSI and the price, a divergence might be playing out right now. I'm just not so sure it's going to be a sign of reversal or just a end of a down trend temporarily, right? Temporarily, that's what divergence is telling us. It does not guarantee an immediate reversal after a dump just because a divergence played out here, over here, and over here, right? I apologize, my cursor skills, is that what you call it? Pretty new. This is my first video, so be patient. And of course, I'm also seeing some sort of a rising, fallen wedge. We found support over here, over here. I'm not so sure about this. We have resistance over here, 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 and we are approaching that. If we were to break out of this rising wedge, then it could. Then I would say the price target would be approximately 39,500 at the top of the wedge, right? Oh, sorry. Or it might not. It might not. It might just go get rejected by the resistance and then come back down and go back up and then only decide to break up again. But if it were to break up right now, then it would have confirmed the bullish divergence that we are looking at the 1 hour frame right now. Of course, we have the EMA ribbon, which we got rejected the previous hour. It's That's all I'm seeing in the 1 hour chart. And if there are anything that I'm not seeing really clearly right now, please drop your comments below, and please give me your feedbacks, because this is a relatively new channel. There's lots to improve. I'm going on a budget. Of course, it's low cost. I hope this work out well. And please do drop your comment. Strike a conversation with me. I'll be glad to actually interact with the community out here on YouTube. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.